Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can categorize credit card transactions in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks online account. From the dashboard, go to the Banking or Transactions tab on the left-hand side. Here, you will see your linked accounts. Select the credit card account where your transactions have been recorded. Next, go to the For Review section. This is where all the transactions that haven't been categorized yet will appear. Click on the transaction you want to review. In the Category field, select the correct expense category that matches the nature of the transaction. For example, if the purchase was for meals during a business meeting, choose Meals and Entertainment. If it was for office supplies, select Office Supplies. You can also add the vendor name if the transaction was made with a specific supplier. QuickBooks also allows you to add notes or tags. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to provide additional details about the expense, such as the purpose of the purchase or the project it relates to. Once you've chosen the appropriate category and filled in any additional information, click on Add or Confirm. The transaction will then move from the For Review tab into the Categorize tab. Repeat this process for each transaction until all your credit card expenses are categorized. This ensures that your books remain up to date and accurate. As a tip, QuickBooks also allows you to create bank rules for recurring transactions. By setting up rules, QuickBooks can automatically categorize similar transactions in the future, saving you both time and effort. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.